lavanderos? Yes, right, that is me. So today I wanted to be teaching you a little lesson. But before I do, I have a little guessing game for y'all. Okay? So I have 5 questions that I'm going to ask. Raise your hand once you think you know the answer, but don't say it. Okay, just raise your hand and keep it raised. I'm going to call on one of you at the end. Right? The first question is, I love the really cold weather. I live in the Arctic. Remember, if you're getting it, raise your hand, just don't say it. My fur is white. My main source of food is seals. What am I? Alright, I'm going to pick on you. What am I?
Polar bear.
A polar bear. What clue gave it away?
The white fur.
The white fur.
Lives in Antarctica.
Live in the Arctic.
And eats seals.
And eat seals. Nobody got it with the really cold weather?
Something
Sorta, right? So what makes that clue not very helpful? It's like what? Like two?
Like some animals live in the Arctic,
What about
but
the
we don't know what type.
What type? So right, the Arctic was more specific. Y'all see the difference there? Yes, right? Okay. So you are going to be doing something similar next week. Today we are going to be researching an animal of your choosing. Alright?
And we'll have to like guess it.
Yes, other people will have to guess it.
Okay.
But for today,
Wait.
yes, for today we are going to be using PebbleGo. Yeah. So you are going to get a paper just like this. Alright? I already got my paper and the very first thing I did was put my name on it. Alright? So I'm going to choose an animal. Can y'all guess what animal I'm going to pick?
Can you give us some hints? Can you give us some?
Well, so this is what you're going to see. PebbleGo. Right, we're looking at animal. So I'm going to click animal. My favorite one is going to be, let's click on animal. Can y'all guess which one I'm going to pick?
Giant
panda.
No, that. I know it.
Yes,
I didn't put it out there.
So,
Because we just talked about it.
exactly. So in my notes, right, that I have right here, where do you think I'm going to put the name polar bear?
In the
Center.
Yeah, right, why? Yes.
Because it's much bigger.
So
And
it's
you
more,
can like bigger.
yes, it's more important. Polar bear. Okay? Got my polar bear in the center. I'm going to choose 3 things about what it eats. Which one of these tabs at the top will tell me what it eats? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. What is? Food, right? So I would click on food. What do polar bears eat?
Fish, seagulls,
Fish. Give me one. What do they eat? Seal. And one more? Walruses. Okay, so I would write my 3 things right here. And what does it eat? Fish. What was the other one?
fish, seagulls,
Seals. And my last one? Walruses.
walruses.
Right? My next 3 boxes talk about something about the polar bear. For example, where it lives. Where would I find that out of those tabs? What tabs would I find where it lives?
Arctic.
Habitat. Habitat is another word for home. Habitat home. Can y'all say habitat home?
Habitat.
Home. Habitat home. Where it lives. That's where I would find that home. Okay? next box talks about what does it look like. Which one is gonna tell me a little bit more about what does it look like? What tab at the top? Raise your hand. What is it gonna tell me? What does it look like? Body. Right, it's gonna tell me a little bit more about what it looks like. What can I also use? What can I also use to see what it looks like? The picture. Okay, so you can look at it and also describe, but it does tell you right here, right? They have what? And? Right, and my very last box on my notes talks about interesting facts. So y'all know my next question. What tab would I find my interesting facts in? Raise your hand, raise your hand.
Fun fact.
Yes. Fun facts. Where else could I find interesting facts? There's some tabs we haven't used. Yes. Life cycle and?
Fun facts.
And what else?
And read more.
And read more. Okay? So you can use all of these tabs on PebbleGo to find the information here. You got that? Give me a thumbs up. Okay. So now you're going to have to log into PebbleGo. Don't touch it yet. You're going to use this QR code. You're going to open the camera and scan it. Yes? Ready? Set, go. Camera at the bottom. Stick in the picture. Yes, down.
So I forgot these were touchpad.
What?
So yeah, I started doing this.
No,
I'm
but I
like,
started doing this.
oh no, I know how to do that.
Thank you so much for participating.
Hello, guys.
There you go.
This looks like a real animal.
No, what? That's what I started doing.
I did this.
Yes, we're going to try to get your animal next.
Yeah.
I started doing this. And I saw room.
Alright, so what's the name of it?
I was getting to that too.
No, it's what?
Where are you gonna write PebbleGo?
It's a tablet. And then you can
Let me see. Let me see.
I'm gonna say right.
Again.
Take your pick.
Y'all, I can't tell y'all. Lucas, this gives me
Not for real. Like,
Oh.
animal. I forgot. Oh wait. Stop doing this.
I'm so happy.
Do this. I need to go on my iPad.
Wait, is that yours?
You press like the one that says the has go.
Are you able to log in? Yes. Alright, so now you have your animals. Where are you gonna write that? Pencils are right there. Remember to choose the important facts. So what's the name of yours? Write that right there.
I actually probably keep one.
Where?
Here's my exam. The same.
Now I'm on the video.
Bro, I don't know what happened. I need this.
No, I'm not choosing this one. I already took the wrong
So
one.
it eats that.
I know.
A blue button.
It's on the top. It says fish. It says fish. Orange. I'm trying to get to remember that I just started using that. Ooh, Wolverine.
No, but I'm going to fifth grade. I did my school in fifth grade. Did you say my fifth grade? I'm in the fifth grade. You're in the fifth grade? Well, we're still in the fifth grade. Is it going to it? I don't know how to say that's not nice to say.
She's waiting for me.
Yeah, would you like someone to call you like
If it doesn't say anymore, that's fine. Some of them might have 3. That's okay. Yeah.
would you like Messi?
They're real. Is that who you want to do?
Sorry.
Because it literally doesn't have class. These are not big. Why is it all
Pick an
really
animal.
bad?
Pick
Oh,
an
I
animal.
put
Ronaldo was supposed to play the field. He was supposed to. He didn't want to because
don't you dare talk loud.
no one listens to him.
Why is mine in oh, I thought mine was in Spanish.
Fennec foxes.
You doing oxalate? Don't spend too much time on the videos, okay, guys? Because then you won't have time to research. Do your research first, and then you can go look at videos.
We're trying to find
Which one should I do?
interesting
I
videos.
want to hear what they sound
What
like.
it looks like.
Hold on, sorry. You can guess my one sound, okay?
Remember, pick the important facts. So what does it look like? You wanna go look at it?
It looks like a fox.
Listen to what they sound like.
You have to get a clue.
Capybara, What is that? What is that?
Why isn't my PebbleGo working?
What is that? I love this. That's so
Is that what you're gonna do?
Desert
You saw mine.
Clue. So we're on the body, and you are looking at what? What does it look like? So what does it have?
It is 3 pounds.
Actually, on mine.
Kind of skin do they have? Where their legs, describe that.
Wait, but mine only eats one food.
Where it lives. You put the ocean. What else? See, that's fine.
Y'all doing the same thing? Sure.
In the ocean, it says it floats upside down on the water. Either floating at the top or at the bottom. The top. So that'd be something at the top. Where does it live? At the top. So this
playful, curious.
What do they eat? I know.
Jaden Stoner didn't.
I know, but mine is not even a
Mine is not even
Why
like
is
a
this?
$1 too. I bet 80.
Yeah.
With $4 too.
Okay. Where else do they live besides?
Just the desert.
What
Just the desert?
if we're like
Fennec foxes are found in parts of Africa and the
There you go. You can write both of those.
dry, sandy deserts. As many as 10 foxes share one den.
Well,
They leave the
but they're
den
so little.
when it is
But that's an interesting fact.
That is an interesting fact you could write.
I have a question.
Oh, you're doing a dinosaur, huh? Do you know how to say that?
It'll be next week for everybody. It's a jellyfish. It's a jellyfish.
Fennec foxes are also called desert foxes. Large ears give off heat.
I'll tell you how to say it. Did you hear it?
What you do?
why are you bullying me?
Let it go. What you do?
Gasparenosaurus. That's a cool one.
I hope no one knows that.
Oh no, I thought you picked the dog. No, because after the dog, eat a dinosaur.
First I found wait for the baby powder.
I eat the dog and the cat.
Shorty. What is it?
If you're count the dog, he's 3. He's 3.
Live in
But stand up. Oh, you're 4. He's 4, 5. No, he's 3. Something. He's 3 feet. I'm 4 feet and I'm 10. Imagine me. It looks
Each year, female fennec foxes have one litter of pups.
I'm not on 1 foot.
no when I first got them. I was like,
He doesn't even know what side is. So what did he say?
I wanted an iPad with a computer and innovation.
No. Why would I say that?
Right, I want you to flip your paper over and go check out 2 books and come back and finish it. Check out 2 books. Flip your paper over so that 6 that flip your paper. Right, go check out 2 books.
I finished.
Finish. Flip it over your desk.
Is this fine? Is this fine?
Check out 2 books. You got all of this. That's what I chose.
But they only eat one
Because I like the sound.
Mine says they use it to print. So they and I click on 2.
Why is it in? You check this?
No, I didn't even touch you. Literally. And they dying. Yeah, I got 1 real. I got
Life cycle.
I know.
Could I have you volunteer there for some of those facts so they can guess what yours is? What is yours? You think they're gonna guess that? No. I think they might be able to guess either this.
I know if I can just yell it out.
But which one? Choose some that are so specific, but next time you can choose like other facts that you didn't see.
And then I do.
So a good one would be they have this one, those brown burgers.
I just don't.
Yeah. Yeah, and then we'll see if they can guess it. If they can't guess it, we'll just leave them.
She was like, I'll go like.
Oh, yeah, I don't even know you. Yes, here, I have it sitting out to get me. Can I get it? Thank you.
Thank you.
And then go down. Yeah.
Only those two.
And they are cute.
And none of them will say
If no one else, if no one else, like if we run out of time.
You didn't pick anyone from our table yet? After that.
I still have to. I'm excited. No, I just did that. I'm getting out.
Wings of fire?
At the computer?
All just because I'm more biased.
Yeah. So no one's going to
Dragon's Lair.
I know which one. Start heading back to your seat.
Alright, I'm done.
You done?
I'm gonna go play.
You gotta go check out 2 books once you're done.
Oh, I'm gonna play Princess. I'm playing Princess.
Hold on, what is
that?
But it was next. Done. Alrighty, back to your seats.
These books are awesome. They're not even scary.
You gotta put your number in first. It did, but it didn't register it under anything. Yeah.
I want y'all to close your iPad.
Type your number.
Stack them in the center.
Annie, get off. I love it. It matches your shirt.
Stack it in the center.
Gotta do that first. Now reset.
Stack it in the center. Keep your papers face down.
Book ain't really scary that much. One push-up?
She wants to play princess. But I'm in the center. I want to play princess. I want to play pretty
When you do a push-up with you on my back? So I do a push-up? So just do a push-up? Can you do a push-up? I ripped 234.
Stack them in the center. Several on the top. Put pebble on top. Keep the paper face down. Right here. Alright, if you are still checking out, I need y'all to be quick. We are going to do a little summary of what we have learned. Right, so I do have one volunteer that's going to read, I already chose this volunteer, that is going to read 2 of their facts. Only 2. If you can guess it, raise your hand. If you cannot, you're going to have to wait until next week. Alright, so my lovely volunteer, what was one of your facts from your animal?
Animal, it eats clams, mussels, fish.
It eats clams, mussels, and fish. And what's one more? One more fact.
On what it looks like, it has like brown fur.
It has thick brown fur. So I'm going to take one guess. A sea otter. Any other guesses? Yes?
A bear?
A bear. And one more guess? A brown bear. All right. Last guess.
I'm just saying, could it be like
A crab? Maybe. Alright, but can we, based off of those 2 facts alone, say what it is already? No, right? We have 4 guesses so far.
I think she's right.
Okay, we have 4 guesses.
It's not even.
What do we need to do with those facts? Should they be more specific? Should we have more? What should we do?
More specific.
More specific and more facts, right? What if I was to tell you that it was 6 feet tall? Now what do your guesses look like?
A nunchuck.
No, not a bear. A skin ball.
Nunchuck.
Maybe a bear, right? But it depends. So be specific when you choose your clues next week. Why do you think it's important for researchers to pick specific information? Yes.
You weren't raising your hand? Why do you think it's important for researchers to pick specific information? Yes?
So they know what the other person's talking about.
So they know what the other person is talking about. Why do you think it's important for us to pick factual information and not just information like it's really cool?
The reason because if you say it's really cool, you're not able to give it enough facts, or you just say it's cool. Like, oh, it's cool.
Yes, exactly, right? There's too many things in that area and we can't really know what we're talking about. We need to be more specific so we can get to the point and find it. Alright, everybody give yourself a pat on the back for doing such a great job. I want y'all to take your papers, stack them in the center on top of the iPad. I want you to take your books and hug them. And y'all can line up.